Konkan Railways is committed towards cleanliness and hygiene for passenger care and satisfaction. From manual to semi and fully automated cleaning practices, we make sure that all our premises are clean and hygienic all the time. Cleanliness is not just a choice, but our duty and moral responsibility towards our customer. To make it possible, our cleaning services are working round the clock on major stations. Properly maintained dustbins are placed at regular intervals for easy accessibility. Coach cleanliness outside and inside are promoted through various rigorous but efficient activities. Clean facilities, railway platforms and premises beautification, such is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.